Shatter. Not going to play that anytime soon. It will be directed at something large if you ever place anything like that. Or an equipment. In retrospect, I should have been a lot more aggressive with my warden. He's attacking with a mirror? Okay. Yeah, I'll block. If he's got a pump spell, then I'll gladly use Shatter to kill it. No? Luna's Acolyte. I don't know why he attacked with the leaden mirror. If he thought that I would not block, then he was mistaken. Now if I draw an artifact, I have... Let's see. Yeah, I'll play yet another one. If now I can play both Shatter and Angel if needed. If I draw another artifact, then I can start beating down with Galma's Warden and the Chrome Steed. He'd be forced to trade something at least. He keeps attacking. I'm going to block that as well. With both of my creatures, that's to make sure that it dies, and if he's got something dodgy, then I can still kill it. Okay. It still dies. Slice in twain. Yeah, that's fine. He would have played it. He would have played it anyways, and my edge right doesn't die, so I don't mind that. Ha! Here's the angel, and I get to take out most of his team with it. His attacks have been less than optimal, so it was bound to happen. At least I think that, unless he's got something more up his sleeve, his attacks have been really awkward. Arrest, perhaps? No, Chrome Steed. He's dead in 2 attacks. I don't think I can not attack. Strider Harness. Yeah, I'm just going to attack with the Sunblast Angel and see if he's got the Dispense Justice this time. That's the only card that will save him. This turn or next turn it would save him. Yeah. Dispense Justice. He had Metalcraft, so attacking with more creatures would have been bad. And if he's, I think he wouldn't misplay. Actually, I should have attacked with the Edge Right as well. I should have, because if he had it, I could have destroyed his Chrome Steed to make the attack. To make his spell a lot less intimidating. So that was a mistake again. I'm not thinking enough. If he starts speeding down, I don't think he will, though he's got some sort of chance at it. Okay, tempered steel. I am going to shatter his chrome steel when he attacks. It leaves him dead. No, it doesn't, because he's got the sentinel. Though, I need to draw another artifact so that my warden can hold off his sentinel indefinitely. I can't block that this time. He's got something else. The Fallen, no problem. Ah, glider, that's perfect. That's really perfect. Let's see, I'll move it over, and he's dead in 3 turns, and I can block his creatures. Now I don't want him to draw something to sacrifice his Perilous Mirror, because then my glider would die, and that would be bad. Here's something. Oh, no, that's bad. That's really bad. Okay, I need to draw another artifact, and I need to draw it right away. It needs to be my second Chrome Steed, I think. I could use the... I would survive if I draw the Contagion Clasp, because then I can shrink something enough to survive. Yeah, it's coming through. I'm down to 1 life, and I'm in search of an artifact. No, that doesn't do it. I can waste my edge right once. If he attacks with everything, then I'm almost dead as well. Revoke Existence would be good, though I don't think that would be enough either. Let's see if he also goes all out. I want him to attack with the Telgelad Fallen, because then I can trade, and yeah, he didn't. It's not looking good at all. If he's got another creature, then we're dead. Yeah, we're dead. Let's see. Another land. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lands. More than enough. Well, there was some misplays. I can definitely do better. Soul parry is okay, I think. The Acolyte isn't that exciting against him, so I think that's fine. Yeah. Soul parry deals with both damages from Fearless Mirror, which is fine, which makes it good. Though I'm a bit sad that I don't have anything else to add to my deck against him. There are some cards that would have done better. I still don't want to play first because I think that my deck is better at drawing than his is. This is unexciting, but if I can revoke his Tempered Steel, then it's fine. No, I really can't keep this. I need some action. This is fine. Mirror Clasp and Glimmer Point Stag should be enough to